Mr. Bernardo Constantino of Ilocos Norte National High School, the President of the SSLG or the Supreme Secondary Learner Government. And of course, si Bernard din, siya rin po yung Division Federated SSLG President. Okay, good afternoon, Bernard.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, so how are you?
Buhay pa rin, ma'am. Yay.
Buhay pa rin. Okay, so kumusta yung SSLG?
So far, we're very productive. Like, 1 month pa lang, ma'am, ket nakadado ti Mobra, ma'am.
Okay,
And
that's
more.
very good.
Yes,
Ano
ma'am.
nga ro, dagiti highlights nga naubraan tayo or plan tayo for our action plan? Ano dagiti napintas?
For division, ma'am?
For your school, anak
For
mo
my
na.
school. We think for my school, ma'am, ket since the SK elections and ma'am ket papas, ay umasasidegen and 2025 ket midterm elections ton ma'am ket adan to voters education nga propose minto ma'am. And aside from that ma'am ket we're going to celebrate digiti na importante nga celebration nga dapat tayo nga maamuan and maselebraran such as Teachers Month, Mental Health Awareness Month, Women's Month, Pride Month, and many more, ma'am.
Okay, so being SSLG Division Federated President, so ano naman yung mga plano mo to propose?
Actually, ma'am, we've already met with the division members.
Officers,
Yes,
student.
ma'am. And we've come up so far with 4 na key programs, which is benchmarking, team building in the form of tree planting, and leadership training, and if possible, we will have acquaintance nights per school po.
Per school?
Opo.
Okay, so kanya-kanya ni school-based.
Opo.
Okay, which I see.
Kasi iso ti kayat digiji most presidents, ma'am, coming from their peers, ma'am, ma'am.
Okay, so you being one of the participants din sa LearnCon, ano naman ang masasabi mo? Magandang lessons or experience na nangyari sa'yo nung sa LearnCon?
Actually, ma'am, for the SSLG part ng LearnCon po noon is, we were, hindi po kami nag-seminar SSLG nga part, ma'am. It's more on a forum wherein naging moderators and di naging nagsao idi ma'am ket digiti outgoing National Federated Supremes Student Government for 2022-2023, ma'am, wherein we were given a platform to raise not only concerns but also digiti na dumaduma nga issues not only here in Region 1 but also the entire Philippines, ma'am. So it was an eye-opening experience which widened our perspectives, ma'am, and it made us all close to each other as presidents, ma'am.
Okay, excluding regarding sa LearnCon, sa lecture, sa forum, how about yung mga personal na mga na-meet mo mga students, ano yung mga na-learn mo sa kanila, na mga attitude, mga behavior, mga iba pang mga, kung ano yung na-experience mo with them?
So, mayat na met ti LearnCon, ma'am, is we had the opportunity to meet other people outside of our comfort zones. Like, may naging friend po akong taga Manila, may mga nakakausap na akong mga taga Laguna, taga Mindanao, like friends ko so that FB, ma'am, and we still see each other virtually, ma'am. Though LearnCon helped us build connections with one another. So, sana ko ma'am ket adan to pay cash nga events. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, ano naman yung parang message mo sa mga SSLG presidents, officers ng Division of Lawag bilang president ng division?
So, as the president of Division of Lawag, it is an immense opportunity to say to my fellow presidents na like, when first grading pa lang ket nagdadagsen ti workload tayo, nagdadagsen ti activities tayo, but we